Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all low carb high protein diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 7 kgs very easily. Now recently my lots of clients asked for such a diet plan in summer season where they can lose weight very easily with a low carb diet plan which has to be high in protein. So this is how the results were. As you can see, the transformations have been amazing and the results are super crazy. So you can also start your weight loss journey with us. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me and begin the transformation happily. So without delay, let's get started with low carb high protein diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 7 kgs very easily.
So let's start with early morning drink. Early morning drink has to be something which is very helpful for detoxification and great for weight loss in every manner. So I'll be giving you two options here. The first option is you can always consume simple and very easy to prepare Ajwain Jeera water. Now Ajwain Jeera water really helps you with detoxification, water retention, bloating, swelling of any kind, and superbly amazing for postpartum weight loss as well. All you have to do is take 1 glass of water, simply boil it, add 1 teaspoon of Ajwain to this and add 1 teaspoon of Jeera to this. Boil for 4 to 5 minutes and your drink is ready to have empty stomach. Amazing weight loss benefits and great for water retention as well. Second option is if you cannot have this because of any so reason, then you can always simply consume my summer anti-inflammatory drink, basically which is in a glass of lukewarm water, you add half a squeezed lemon, fresh amba haldi or which is green haldi, you can even use haldi powder for this. Along with that, to activate haldi, I'm using here half a teaspoon or some powder of black pepper to this. Simply consume it empty stomach and see the benefits yourself. Great hydration benefits, detoxifies your liver, at the same time also helps you with anti-inflammatory benefits also with haldi and black pepper powder. Do try out and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. And now we proceed towards our breakfast options for low carb high protein diet plan. For this I'll be giving you two options here. First is of course vegetarians who consume eggs every single day in the morning can have 2 to 3 egg whites omelette along with black coffee or black tea as per your own preference. Now this gives you a very good amount of protein and great for satiateness also. So do try out this option for your breakfast. And second option is for all of those who cannot have this. They can always simply consume 2 moong dal chilas along with some paneer stuffing into it. Moong dal chila is a complete recipe on my channel which requires very minimal ingredients and great for weight loss also. So you can always try moong dal chila along with paneer stuffing. Now you can always use 50 to 70 grams of paneer for 1 chila and you satiate your protein intake of the breakfast at least throughout the day. So do try out these recipes for your breakfast. Along with this, you can always have black tea, black coffee, green tea, peppermint tea as per your own choice. And now we proceed towards our mid-morning snack option which comes between our breakfast and lunch time. For this, the best option is you can always consume 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea. It really helps you to boost your antioxidants and great for belly fat loss as well. So do try to have at least 2 cups of green tea a day. Second option, if you cannot have this, you can always consume a bowl of watermelon or a bowl of melon. It's in the season, it's very seasonal fruit and great for weight loss also because it is super hydrating as well. So you can have these options for your mid-morning snack. And now we proceed towards our lunch option for this diet plan. For lunch, I'll be giving you 2 3 options out there. Of course, convenient, great for weight loss and super yummy as well. The first lunch option is you can always consume a balanced lunch option which is basically a bowl of protein with sabzi. It can be either chicken curry, fish curry, egg curry, paneer, tofu, soya as per your own choice. Now I am sharing a soya recipe with you which is super creamy, super yummy, and my clients love having it at least thrice a week very easily. It gives you almost 30 to 35 grams of protein into it and great for weight loss. All I've done here is taken boiled soya. It is approximately 100 grams of boiled soya. To this I'm adding a little bit of cornstarch or corn flour you can use. Along with that I'm adding the regular spices to this. In a little bit of olive oil I'll be roasting it out in a pan. Once cooked properly, and another pan I'll be adding again a little bit of olive oil. To this I'll be adding onions chopped. You can also add ginger and green chili as well. Sauteing it till golden brown, and then I'll be adding the soya that I used earlier. At the same time I'll be also preparing a sauce for this which is basically I'm adding in a blending jar 100 grams of paneer. To this I'm adding soaked cashews, a little bit of water for the consistency, blending it all together, and your sauce for this is ready. Add the sauce as well along with soya and your super high protein weight loss recipe for lunch is ready. Along with that, garnishing it with some coriander freshly chopped, and you can see how tasty and good looking it is. Trust me, my clients love having this, and you can too. You can have it this way only, or along with one besan chila or one moong dal chila or very small roti if you like it so, and you're good to go to satiate your hunger pangs also, and great for lunch option for weight loss also. Second option is for all of those who cannot have these options, then you can always consume simple, very yummy, very tasty brown rice pulao. My clients love having this because brown rice pulao is definitely very lower on the stomach as it digests very quickly, improves gut health because it is lower in the glycemic index, and great for weight loss. It does not allow sugar spike to happen very often after consuming it, so do try to have this option for your lunch if you cannot have the previous option. Now let's proceed towards our mid-evening snack option, which comes between our lunch and dinner time. For this you can have black tea, black coffee, regular tea or coffee without any sugar, green tea, peppermint tea, ajwain water, jeera water. As per your own choice, you can have any of these options listed. And along with that, I'm sharing a recipe of oats banana cookie with you. I'm taking here almost 2 bananas. They are ripe in nature. I'm mashing them out, and to this I'll be adding 1.5 cup rolled oats, and to this then I'm adding some coconut powder as well, or coconut flakes as you call it. Along with this, I'm also adding some dark chocolate chips made with stevia. So as per your own choice, you can add or skip. And now simply mashing this all together, making it a batter form, and I'll simply prepare cookies out of this. No sugar, no maida, no palm oil, no ghee, no butter, nothing to be added to this. Simply on a parchment paper or butter paper, I'll be placing my cookies, and now I'm adding these cookies to my air fryer. Now this is American Micronic air fryer. The best part about this air fryer is it comes with 8 preset settings. At the same time, it's stainless steel with the black finish, looks super premium, and at the same time you can see its capacity is almost 6.5 liters, suitable for Indian families with 5 to 6 people in it. Its removable non-stick basket is BPA free, dishwasher safe, and very easy to clean as well. Its cool touch handles are definitely safe for handling. This removable basket allows hot air to rise from above, swirl around the food and pass through it, which is how a real air fryer should work. Flat bowl designs cannot do this properly. It comes with 8 preset touch menus, temperature control for up to 200 degrees Celsius for proper crisping, 60-minute timer for roasting, baking and grilling. And as you can see, I'll be baking my cookies to this. Now what I've done here is I've simply preheat my air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes, and then I'll be simply placing my cookies to this basket and baking it at 180 degrees Celsius for 6 minutes first, and then twisting it back, and then again for 6 minutes I'll do it. And now you can see how crispy, how golden my cookies have come out to be. They are super crispy in nature, great in taste, and zero sugar added. Do try out these cookies at home and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. And to buy American Micronic air fryer, you can always check the description box link. It's given in the description box. Go and buy it online now. So you can have 2 of these cookies with your mid-morning or mid-evening snack, and it's great for weight loss, satiates your sugar cravings to a greater extent, and definitely lower in calories as well. So do try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. And now we proceed towards our dinner option for low carb high protein diet plan. For this I'll be giving you 2 options again. The first option is my personal favorite and loved by almost all my clients, and they try this recipe at least 4 or 5 times a week. Simple, easy to prepare, malai broccoli and paneer. The recipe is super simple. It's already shown on my channel. You can check out the description box for the complete recipe, and it's displayed on your screen as well. Hardly takes 5 minutes to prepare this recipe if you do it properly, and trust me, my clients love having this recipe at least 5 to 6 times a day. Super crispy, super yummy in nature, gives you a tandoori and roasted option for dinner, and hardly takes 10 minutes to prepare this recipe. What I've done here is I'm crisping here boiled broccoli first in the air fryer for 2 minutes, and then preparing a marination along with it. Marination, I'm adding paneer, 1 cheese cube, Greek yogurt, blending it all together with some salt and black pepper powder with some water, and simply your marination is ready. Marinate your broccoli and your paneer to this. Put in the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 4 to 5 minutes, and you can see how golden brown they look. Super tasty, super crispy, and great protein content, and great for weight loss also. Do try out this option for dinner. And second option, if you cannot have this, then you can simply choose to have either 1 oats or 2 oats chila, which is prepared with lots and lots of bell peppers and capsicum capsicum to this as to share the complete recipe out of it, or you can even choose to have moong dal or besan chila yet again, as per your own choice. Add paneer stuffing to this, make it more protein rich with different options out. If you don't know how to have paneer, you can always skip and have 2 boiled eggs in place of it, and you're good to go to have your tasty and delicious dinner option. Now let's proceed towards our bedtime drink option for this diet plan, which will definitely be 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea, or you can even have 1 cup of freshly brewed ajwain or jeera water. Works amazingly well for water retention, sweating, bloating of any kind, and of course, those who want to reduce their weight quickly, helps again with postpartum weight loss, and definitely proves great results for inflammation also. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to help you with hydration benefits, to remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly, and great for digestion as well. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522, and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me and begin the transformation happening. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of diet plans or meal recipes. I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Now you can watch all my vlogs on the given description box channel, which is Life with Sheena, and check out all my vlogs on it. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.